Do you want to produce plastering trowels, putty knives, and saw blades with higher efficiency, greater stability, and absolute precision? Choose TATE's CNC laser cutting machines. Across the global hand tool and blade manufacturing industry, factories are facing the same challenges: rising labor costs, unstable product quality, slow changeovers, and the limitations of traditional punching molds. TATE solves these problems with a new generation of fully automated, mold-free CNC laser cutting technology designed specifically for blade-shaped metal components. With TATE, a single machine can cut any size, any contour, and any blade geometry, including complex curves, holes, serrations, bevel profiles, and custom brand shapes. There is no need for mechanical tooling, no mold fabrication, and no manual die adjustment. Simply upload your drawing, select the settings, and TATE delivers high-speed, high-precision cutting instantly. Every piece comes out with smooth edges, zero burrs, minimal heat deformation, and perfect dimensional consistency, dramatically reducing downstream grinding and polishing. Our laser systems are built for long-term industrial duty, maintaining stable performance even in high-volume operations across Europe, North America, South America, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. But cutting is only the beginning. TATE provides a complete automated production line for the trowel, putty knife, and saw blade industries. Automatic material loading and sheet separation. High-precision laser cutting and digital contour shaping. Robotic or CNC-controlled welding modules for handles and joints. Automated grinding, shaping, straightening, and surface finishing. Quality inspection and intelligent data tracking. This integrated system allows manufacturers to achieve higher throughput, lower defects, greater flexibility, and significant cost reduction. From raw material to final packaged product, TATE supports the entire workflow with unmatched stability and intelligence. If you are ready to transform your factory into a modern, automated, globally competitive production line, contact us today at info@octane.com.